Tignan ka muna.
Pupunta ka muna, tapos bababa ka.
Punta muna ako.
Sabi mo, invited ka, ma'am, doon?
Hindi kami invited, pero baka yung majority yon.
Oo, tapos?
What do you think
will
lang kayo
happen?
invite?
Impeachment ba yun?
Ma'am, paano mo nalaman na merong caucus kung hindi po kayo invited?
Na dinig-dinig lang namin. So, puntahan ko muna.
Paano niyo po nasabi na impeachment at permahan?
May nagsabing official.
Official.
Gano'n
An
kalaki?
official has told you that there's a
Leader dito,
signature
Leader?
from the majority. Has told you that
Ma'am,
there's
sorry.
naka one
Can
third
you
lang.
say it na kayo mismo? What is this meeting about? Anong narinig po ninyo?
Sabihin ko na mo.
Kayo po. Ano po yung narinig niyo?
Well, parang naghahanda yata ang majority doon sa ipipresent mamaya about impeachment. So I have to verify pa nga kung ano yung impeachment complaint na yon. Is it 1, 2, or 3? Yan.
May narinig kayo? Or 4?
Or 4, tama.
But the official who told you, yes, he or she has signed the impeachment.
Hindi ko pa nakita.
May narinig kayo ilang bilang na po? Nung committee?
Well, we are in-expect daw na makukuha yung 1/3.
Which is,
103, pero nag-expect pa ng more than that.